Dear students, let's continue the lesson light. Most important sense organ in human body, our eyes enable us to see the beautiful world around us. Let us discover more about wonderful sense organs of eye. Now look at the objectives. At the end of this video, you will be able to explain the parts of human eye, elaborate on the defects of eye, give precautions for good health care of the eyes, comment on Braille system. The eye is nearly spherical in shape with a diameter of about 2.3 centimeters. We are able to see the objects around us only when the light emitted or reflected from them enters our eyes. It sends the signals of image to our brain to optic nerves. Let us study the eye structure in detail. Ciliary muscles. These are ring-shaped muscles attached to the iris. The contraction and relaxation of ciliary muscles controls the shape of the lens. Pupil. Pupil is the small opening in the center of iris. It allows light to enter to retina. It appears black in color because most of the light entering the pupil is absorbed by the tissue inside the eye. The size of the pupil is controlled by the iris. It gets very small in bright light and bigger in dull light to enable appropriate amount of light to enter. Iris. Iris is the colored part of the eye, which may be black, brown, green or blue in color. It controls the amount of light entering into the eye. Do you know that the color, texture and patterns of each person's of iris as unique as fingerprint? Cornea. It is the transparent front part of the eye. It does not have blood vessels. Lens. The lens is located behind the pupil of the eye and is transparent, it being thicker in center. It is a convex lens. It forms an inverted real image of the object on the retina. It changes shape to make sure that the picture on the retina is as clear as possible. Its adjacent is similar to the focusing of the photographic camera. Retina. Retina is a light sensitive tissue that lies the back of the eye. It is a semi-transparent membrane which is light sensitive and is equivalent to the screen of the camera. The eye lens forms an inverted and real image of the object on the retina. The light sensitive receptors of the retina are called as rods and cones. Rods. Rods function mainly in dim light and provide black and white vision. Cones. Cones support daytime vision and the perception of color. Optic nerves. It acts like a cable connecting the eye with the brain. The optic nerve transmits electrical impulse from the retina to brain. Blind spot. At the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, there are no sense region, so vision is possible that spot. This region is known as blind spot. Persistence of vision. The phenomenon of the eye by which an after image is thought to persist for approximately 1/16th of a second on the retina. Least distance of distinct vision. The minimum distance up to which an eye can see clearly is called as Least distance of distinct vision. The least distance of distinct vision is 25 cm for normal human eye. Defects of vision. A normal eye can see all objects over a wide range of distance, that is from 25 cm to infinity. But due to certain abnormalities, the eye is not able to see objects over such a wide range of distances, and such an eye is said to be defective. Myopia or short-sightedness. Defect of the vision due to which an eye cannot see the distinct objects clearly. To rectify this defect of vision, we use concave lenses. Hypermetropia or long-sightedness. Defects of the vision due to which an eye cannot see the nearby objects clearly. To rectify this defect of vision, we use convex lenses. Cataract. Defect of the vision in which the lens becomes cloudy or opaque. Light does not pass through such a lens to reach the retina. To rectify this defect of vision, opaque lens is removed, a new artificial lens is inserted. Eyes are delicate and precious, so it is necessary to take proper care of our eyes. We should follow some precautions for eyes. Do not read in too little or too much light. Do not look at the sun or a powerful light directly. Do not try to look at the sun directly during solar eclipse. Never rub your eyes. Wash eyes with your clean water properly. Always read at the normal distance of vision. Always blink your eyes for a few seconds and close them for a few minutes every half an hour while working on a computer for long hours. Include vitamin A rich food like carrot, egg, milk, curd, cheese and fruits such as papaya and mango in your balanced diet. Next is Braille system. Braille was devised in 1825 by a Louis Braille, a blind Frenchman. Braille is a writing system which enables Braille and partially sighted people to read and write through touch. Braille system has 63 dot patterns or characters. Braille character is made up of 6 dot position arranged in a rectangle containing 2 columns of 3 dots each. Each 6 dot cell stands for one letter. Each character represents a letter, a combination of letter, a common word or grammatically sign visually challenge people. Braille system by beginning with letters, then special characters and letter combination. Now let us know the summary of this video. Let us summarize what we have learnt. The eye is nearby, spherical in shape with a slight bulge in the front part. Important parts of the human eyes are cornea, ciliary muscles, iris, lens, retina, optic nerve and blind spot. The least distance of distinct vision is 25 cm for a normal human eye. Defect of vision due to which an eye cannot see the distinct objects clearly is called as myopia. Defect of the vision due to which an eye cannot see nearby objects clearly is called as hypermetropia. Braille is writing system which enables blind and partially sighted people to read and write through touch.